Hi guys, this is Himanshu from the CMS guys. Today I will teach you how to create a complete photography website from beginning to end with an attractive design using absolutely free tools and theme in WordPress using Elementor. Our photography blog website will be mobile responsive as well, which means it is fully optimized for mobile view. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and show us your love and support by liking the video. Do not forget to press the bell icon so that you get notification of a new video every week. Also mention in the comment section below which website you would like to learn creating in WordPress using Elementor in the next video. Now let me show you a demo of the photography blog website that we are going to build today. Then I will show you each and every step to create this photography website in WordPress using Elementor. So here you can see that this is the homepage of our photography website. On the top you can see that we have a header with our logo, company name and links to different pages. In the when we will click on these three lines, this is the menu, and here we have a link to different pages. So here in this home page, in the middle of the page we have a carousel of various model images on the page and title in the middle of the image. As I told you, the photography blog website is completely mobile responsive. Now let me show you the mobile view of this website. So here you can see, like, let me refresh the page and you will find this is the mobile view of our photography website. Now let's move to the next page. Here we have a 5 number of pages, so let's go to the blog page. I will open these pages on a new tab. So here you can see that next we have this blog page, and here we have a carousel of various images. Along with it we have 4 text boxes. Here you can see these are basically the blog posts. So whenever if I will click on any of this blog post, it will take me to this blog detail page. So here you can see that this is the complete blog detail page. Here we have this leave us reply and every photos, and this is our, like, I would never wear anything, that could be, this is our heading. So this is our blog detail page. Now next we have this about us page. So here in this about us page you can see again the image at the background is still, and then here on the right side it is coming, and here we have different types of text over here, and we have different, you can see different tabs like history, achievements, why choose us, goals. So these are the tabs where you can add different types of descriptions you want to add. Now next again we have this team page. So here in this team page here you can see it contains the information about our team members and skills. So we have one skills tab where all the skills were mentioned, and here in this team section we have the image. You can see again the image of the background is same, and we are getting this team text in the middle. So here TEA is only showing, but because it is this is completely white, that's why we are not getting the heading properly. After that, here you can see like each has these we have the team member name and we have their images. Next, moving to our contact us page. So here if you will notice, like here you can see like this complete text is visible over here because we have made this as a transparent. So in this contact us page again you can see that we have an image in the background, and we have this social media icon of Twitter and Facebook, so we can give. After that we have given a number over here for to contact, and then office address. Then you can see we have this form with a send button, so that if someone wants to fill this form they can fill and click on this send button to send us a message. So now that you can see what our target website will look like, so let's dive into creating it. Guys, do watch the complete video so that you don't miss any important points while creating this photography blog website. Please ask any queries you have on the comment section below, and leave a thumbs up if you like the video. Do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you get notified about the new video every week. Also let us know which website you would like to learn next. So now let's start creating our website. So at first we need a domain and hosting to set up the website. So for that we need to go to this website thecmsguys.com/namecheap. So we are on the Namecheap hosting page, and I have been using this Namecheap for 3 years now and not faced any issue till date. All my websites which we have created for our tutorial purpose or anything, every websites, all my websites are hosting on this Namecheap only. I recommend you to use this same, as it is very easy to use and configure, and also cheaper than other providers. You can check other providers price and you will definitely see that this Namecheap hosting provider is very much cheap. There are three plans here. You can see that I personally use this stellar business plan as it suits my requirements, but if you are starting out, I recommend you to use you can purchase this stellar plus plan. It is more than enough for most use cases. It comes with an unmetered SSD, auto backup, and unlimited websites. Auto backup saves you from unnecessary hassles, and unlimited websites are also a great offering. It also gives you a SSL protection, which makes your website doesn't show up as potential threat to any user, and also gives you a domain name for free. There are some more benefits like unlimited bandwidth, privacy protection, etc., that you get with all Namecheap hosting. So you can, if you will purchase any of this hosting, you will get that privacy protection and all. So here you can see that you have an option of selecting a data center. So you must select your data center near your country, and here on this top right corner, here you can see that all the prices are in dollar. If you want to change the currency, here you can select this USD, and here you can change it. So let me change it to Indian rupee as I am from India. Then let's select the stellar plus plan. Now it takes you to let me click on this get started. After that, when you will select this stellar plus plan, now here you can see that it is asking you about the domain name. This is a free domain name you will get, so enter any domain name you wish to purchase in this box below, and then select the domain name and click to connect to hosting. So here if you have an existing domain name, then also you can click on this existing domain name. So after that, here if you will type a domain name, let me type a demo domain name. Let me do one thing. I will do these CMS guys. So here you can see that all these domain names are of free of cost. This, and after that, when here you have to click this connect to hosting. After clicking on this connect to hosting, here you can, and then click on this add to cart. So here you can see that when we have done this add to cart option, here we have this domain 1 year subscription, the price become 0. And then domain privacy, we are getting 1 year subscription, and domain registration, if you want to increase, then also you can increase your domain registration, and if you want, you can enable the this auto renew feature. And now let us confirm our order. After verifying the domain, you can click on this confirm order to confirm this. And when you will click on this confirm order, so now on the next page, here you can see that it is asking you about this login credential. If you don't have any account, then you can create an account, and if you have account, then you can log in it from here. So I already have an account, so I will use that here. So let's sign in now. So let me enter my username and password. After entering the username and password, let me click on this sign in and continue. And then here you can see that it is asking about this payment method. So here you can use any of this payment method. Here you can use this card details, or if you want to use this PayPal or anything, so you can choose any of this payment method you like, and you can continue confirm your order. Once more, you have to click on this continue, and then after that, you have to click on this pay now to confirm the order. Once the payment is completed, you will be redirected to the dashboard. So let me show you the dashboard. So you will be redirected to this dashboard, and where you can manage your domain and hosting from here. So here, and as we have got the hosting and domain, So our next step is to set up the WordPress. So from this dashboard you can click on this. Here you can see, when you will hover over this, you can get this go to C panel. So from here you can it will be redirect you to the C panel. After then click on we have to install the WordPress. So first now to install WordPress we have to scroll down to bottom, and or you can also getting this search option. Here you can search for WordPress, and then here you can see that WordPress manager by 𝗙𝗵𝗁𝗂𝗋. We have to use this one. You can click on this, and here you have to choose the domain name where you have to where you want to install. So for that let me first of all let me install the WordPress on my domain name. So for it, what I will do, we have to filling the in WordPress details and all. First of all, click on this install, and then here we have to search for. So here you can see that this is my domain name where I want to install. So here I have selected this the cmsguys.in, and then here we have to fill our site name and then site description. So site name is basically our site title. So here I will give it the name the cms. Let me give it cms guys. After that here in this description I will be give our company tagline, which is spreading the knowledge. So let me give it. Then we have to choose the username and password. Then we have to choose this. So let me give it a username. So here I will give it this ms guys, and you can use random password, or you can give any password also, or you can use any of this password, or you can also use random password generator to generate passwords for you. After that here we have to fill this admin email address. So here I will going to give my email address. So let me give it. And then here you can skip the theme installation. Here you can no need to select. We will select our own theme, and finally here we have to click on this install button. So our WordPress, you can find that within a few minutes our WordPress installed successfully. So let's wait for it. Then we will get one message for our WordPress, and so here you can see that congratulations message is here, and then here you can see that the software was installed successfully. So now we will start creating and customizing our website. For that we need to go to the dashboard. So here you can see this, the administrative URL is basically the dashboard URL for the WordPress. So you can let me open our website first. So here you can see that this is the cmsguys.in where we have installed the WordPress, and this is how it's going to look like, because it is the default theme is activated now. So if you want to go to this dashboards, and then you have to just here after your website name you have to put a slash and then wp-admin, and then here you will be redirect to your dashboard login panel. And here also you can find this administrative URL, the same URL. It will be also redirect to you to the dashboard of this here dashboard of the WordPress. So here you can see that after that we have to enter this username and password which for which so here you have to enter your username and password, and then entering this you will be see this dashboard. So let me show you again. So here you can see that this is how the WordPress dashboard is going to look like. Here we can control, like we can create blog posts, we can create different pages. Here in this if you will see, our demo website has these 4 number of pages, so we can create these pages in the dashboard only. So there are few things, few settings that we have to do before start creating our website. And here let me quickly give you a brief overview of the dashboard. What are these settings actually mean? So first of all here what you have to do, so here you will find, like you will get this updates option. So in this update option here you can see that, like here we if you have got any plugin update, it will tell you like you have to update these plugins, or if you have want get this WordPress latest version also, then also it will ask you to install the latest version of the WordPress. So here you will find, you can see that it is asking us to update the plugin. So you can just select it and click on this update plugins, and it will update it quickly. So this is the basic thing. Here you will get all the updates of for your WordPress and the plugins or theme also if you have installed any. So now let's go to the post, and here you will find like there is a post already which is named in hello world. So let us quickly delete this post because we don't need this post at this time. And here to delete this post, you have to click on this trash option and it will be deleted. And when you will go to this trash tab, and you will find again this post. So here you will get this empty trash button. Just click on that empty trash button, and all the post or whatever post which is present on your trash, it will got deleted. So now what you can do from this post, like you can create different categories of post. If you want to create different categories of post, you can create, and if you can also give them different tags also. And let me if you want like here you will see we have different blog posts. So in the same way you can create different blog posts from the post section. Now let's move to the media section. So what this media library contains? This media library will contain all the images that you will use to in this website. Suppose here you can see we have different number of images over here. So these images will be stored in this media library. So here you will find like what are the media items it stored. So here you can see images, audio, video, document, spreadsheet, archive, and these are things which will be stored in this media library. So you can directly upload any media to this by clicking on add new. So here you can see it is asking you to select the file or drop the file, but you can, and there are several other ways also to upload the files, and it will be uploaded to the media library. Now let's move to the pages tab. So here in this pages tab you will find by default there are two number of pages. One is privacy policy and another one is sample page. So first of all let's select these pages because we don't want these pages. So first here under bulk action you will find this move to trash option. Just select that one and then click on this apply button to move these pages to trash. Now let's go to this trash option, and here you will again find these pages. So we don't need these pages. So first of all what we have to do, so here we have to again click on this empty trash button, and then it will permanently deleted. So whatever pages you are seeing here like home, blog, about, team, everything, all the pages are going to be created from this pages tab only. So here this is the section where we can create all the pages that is required to us. Now again next we have the comments option. So what does this comments option means? Suppose if you will see in different blog posts we are getting this comments option. So from those comments are basically you can see all the comments, whatever comments you are getting on your blog post, everything will be present here. And you can also like move them to pending, or if you want to approve those comments you can approve them, or if you want to mark them in spam, or you can delete those comments, then you can move it to trash. So these are the things which you can do with the comments. Like if someone has given anything comment, and if you don't want to it to be reflect on your blog post, you can move them to trash. Now next we have this appearance option. So here in this appearance you can see we have three installed plugin themes, and one is this 2021 theme is activated. So from this appearance themes we can activate any of the theme. Like let me activate this 2020 theme. So click on this activate option, and here you can see 2020 is activated. So now when I will open the page on a new tab, so here you can see the entire design is completely changed. Again let us activate this 2021, and here when I will refresh the page, so here you can see again the design of the page is completely changed. So in this way theme provides us actually like different types of, there are different types of themes you can use. So themes are basically the design or structure of the website, you can say. So now I must recommend you to use only a single theme. So what you can do, you can delete the rest of the thing and you can keep only a single theme on your website. So how to delete the theme? So to delete a theme, again you have to click on this theme detail, and on the right side you will get this delete option. Click on that delete, and then you have to click on this OK to confirm your delete. So in the same way we have to delete this 2019 theme also. So let's again click on this theme details, and then again on the right side we have this delete option. Just click on the delete and then OK to confirm the delete. So now you can see in this themes option we have only a single theme. And next let's move to the plugins option, and here in this plugins you will find this, there are two plugins. We don't need these plugins. So as I am creating this in localhost, so that's why I am getting two plugins. But if you are using any of the hosting, then you will must find more plugins are there. So there will be a trick like how you can deactivate or delete all the plugin in a single click. So what you have to do, you have to select those plugins, what are the plugins you want to activate or deactivate. After selecting it, under bulk action you will get this deactivate option. So first of all, here you can see that none of my plugin is activate, that's why I am not doing the deactivate. But first you have to select this deactivate and click on apply. Once all the plugins that you want to delete are deactivate, then in the same way again you have to select the plugin, and here in this deactivate option you have to select this delete option and click on this apply button to delete the plugin. So here you can see it is again taking your confirmation like are you sure you want to delete, then click on this OK, and here you can see in a single click my two plugins were deleted. So now here you can see plugins are doing the main important thing, like it is the main providing extra features for our website. Like we can use different page builders, or if you want to use a contact form, everything is a plugin. So plugins are the giving extra features or adding extra features to our website. Now next we have this user tab. So here you will see that there is only a single user here. So here if you want to give access to your website WordPress dashboard to any other, like here you can see there are different role: subscriber, contributor, author, editor or administrator. If you want to give someone, like if you have someone who will write blog post for you, then you can give like you can give them editor or author or contributor role, and you can create access for them. So how you can do that one? So first of all, again you have to click on this add new, and then here you have to give them a username and email. These are the most two important thing, and these are the required thing, because without username or without email you cannot create a new access. So once you will enter the username and email, after that here you can give the first name, last name, and either you can generate a random password from here, or if you want to give any custom password, then you can also type your custom password. But for that you have to again confirm use of weak password if you have not given any strong password. After that here you can select different roles, like here you can see that we have subscriber, contributor, author, editor or administrator role. Whatever role you want to create, you can select it from here, and then you have to click on this add new user button, and that user will be created automatically. So and that user can log into the dashboard using the credentials. So if you will here selected this, send the user an email about their account, so then that user will get that notification of whatever credentials you have created. So now after this user, let's directly go to the settings part, because there is nothing important in the tools. So here in this setting, again you can select the site title and tagline of your site. So first of all, here you can see that my site title is photography, and like if I want to change the tagline here, like by the CMS guys, I can do that one. And here once I will click on save changes, so when you will refresh the page, so here you can see that I am getting this photography by the CMS guys. So these are the site title and the tagline. After that here make sure you have given this correct administration email address, like here we have this CMS guys at the rate gmail.com. so in the same way, make sure you have given a correct administration email address, so that whenever if you will forgot your credentials of your WordPress dashboard, then you can reset by using this administration email address. After that, we are not going to create any of the membership site, so no need to click on this. Anyone can register, and you can set your own date format and time format. If you want to change, like here if you want to keep these date format or time format, you can keep it. Now let's click on this save changes, and we are done with the general setting. Now let's move to these like reading or writing setting. Here you can see these are not those that much important settings we need to do. Let's directly go to the main setting, which is this permalink setting, and make sure you have selected this post name and this permalink, and click on save changes. So this post name, when you will select, it will be very much helpful for the SEO purpose. And whenever, like if you here in the demo website, when I am going to this about page, so here you can see my website name / about is coming. So for that reason we must be selected this post name, and then click on save changes. Now let's go back to the dashboard, and here as we have completed all the basic settings that we need to do before start creating the website. And here if you can see, like we have this again, if you don't want to see this get started and this quick draft glance activity option, so under screen option you will find here, when you will click on this screen option, you can just uncheck all those things that you don't want to see, and here our dashboard is also completely clean. So with this we have completed all these basic setup for the WordPress. Now let's start installing the required theme and plugin for our website. So now let's start installing the plugin and the required theme for this website. So first of all, what I will do, let's go back, and here in the dashboard you will let's go to hover over this appearance and click on themes. So here you can see we have this 2021 theme. The theme which we are going to use, the theme name is umbrella theme. So let me open in a new tab, and here you will find that this is the theme link, and you will get this link in the description below, and link to this. Here you can directly purchase this theme. This theme name is umbrella photography WordPress theme, and as I have already purchased it, once you will purchase it, here you will find a download option in your all themes category. When you will go to your all themes category, there you will get a download option, and once you will download that theme, it will download in a zip file. And let me upload that theme, because I have already downloaded it. So you have to click on this upload theme, and here we have to choose the file. So here you can see that it is this umbrella photography theme is already I have extracted it. And when you will extract it, here you will find this one, this umbrella. We have to select this one, the zip file, and just click on it. And now we have to click on this install now button to install this theme. As you can see that this theme is got installed. So now what we have to do, again we have to click on this activate, and now here you can see that our umbrella theme is activated. So what we will do now, let's delete this 2021 theme. So for that one, again we have to click on this theme detail, and then on the right side we have to click on this delete option, and then OK to confirm the delete. Now let's start installing the required plugin. So first of all, here you can see that you will get this message like this theme requires the following plugins. So what we have to do, click on this begin installing plugin, and now just select all the plugin, and under bulk action you have to select install, and now click on apply. Once you will click on apply, it will start installing the plugin one by one. Like we have 6 number of plugins here. You can see that installing plugin advanced custom fields. So I think as I am in localhost, there is some problem. So let's what I will do, I will install one by one plugin, and let me quickly install these plugin, and then I will get back to you how to activate those plugins in a single click. So now till then just let me quickly install all these plugins. Alright, now here you can see that I have installed all the required plugins. So what I have to do now, I will select all the plugins, and under bulk action I will select this activate option, and then I will click on install. Okay, I have still I have left with one plugin, so let us quickly install that plugin also. And then again plugin installed successfully. So let's go back to the plugins, and here in this plugin only the thing is we need to activate that plugin. So here you can see that we have activate all our required plugins and the theme that we are going to use. The theme name is this umbrella theme by NK. So as now we have done all these things, now let's start creating our first page, which will be our home page. So as you can see that there is nothing, only slides of portfolio in it. So now let's start creating this one. So here you can see that we have these photo portfolio in the home page. So now how we will create that one. So to create those photo portfolio, here you will find a portfolio option. So here we have to add a number of portfolio list, and then here we can get this portfolio categories, and here we can create categories of portfolio here. So these portfolios are only showing at our home page. And before that, one most important thing I just want to show you, like when I am refreshing this page, so here you can see that it is showing all these archives only, and nothing is happening here. Alright, and we are getting this umbrella logo, and it is written here archives. So what I will do, first of all, let's go to the pages, and here let's start create one first page, which will be our home page. So what I will do, I will click on this add new, and here I am going to create this page. So let's first add the title. So here I will add the title as home, and then I will publish this page. Alright, once you will publish this page, so now let's see how this page is going to look like. So here you can see I have opened this page on a new tab, and this is how it's going to look like. So as you can see, we don't need this one, like this home should not be displayed like this. We need in our home page all these portfolios should be visible. So for this what we have to do, let's first create our portfolio page, and then we can come to this, and here we can change all these, like whatever we want. We can, like, we want here all our portfolios, right? So for this, now let's first add some portfolio. So first of all, what we have to do, let's go to the portfolio option. So here in portfolio, let's start create some portfolio. Before that, if you want to create some portfolio categories, you can create, like let's go to the portfolio categories, and let's create some of the portfolio categories. So here I want to create a category of fashion. So let me give it a name fashion, and then I will click on this add new portfolio category. In the same way, I want to create one portfolio for nature, and then one portfolio for portraits. Alright, now we have 3 categories of portfolio. Now let's go to the portfolio items, and here we need to click on this add new item. So here we can add one portfolio item. So let's start create this portfolio item. So what we have to do, first of all, here we have to give it a title. So what I will do, I will give it a name slide 1, And then there are two options, like whether you want to add a image or you want to add a video. So if you want to add a video, then you have to enable it, like YouTube video or Vimeo video you want to add. Suppose let us go to the YouTube, and if you want to add a video, let me show you how you can add that one. So here what I will do, I will go to this CMS guys in YouTube, and here suppose let us use this video here. So what I will do, let me quickly skip this video, and then I will copy this link from here. Alright, so here you can see this is our YouTube video, and here we have to paste the video URL, and let's first publish it and let's see what we are getting. So in our slide 1, so here first let's go to all portfolio item, and this is our slide 1, and we have added our YouTube video to it. Alright, so in the same way, here on the right side, if when you will click on this edit, on the right side you will get to add these featured image also, so you can add a featured image to it. So what I will do, let me quickly upload all these images. So here I have created some of downloaded some of the images, or the images which we have used in the demo website. All the images are available here, so let's first upload these images. Okay, so here now what I will do, so as I have given it a slide 1, so I will set is a set featured image and update it. Now again let's go to add new item, and in the same way let me tell you how to add a image. Slide 2, and then background X position will be 50, and then background Y position I want to give it 20. Alright, and then here if you want to add a portfolio category, like we have already a category like nature, and then we have created a fashion, and okay, alright, we have to completely type it fashion, select this one, and then we have also added one more category, right, portraits, and we can directly add these. Now let's go to this featured image, and here we have to select a featured image for this. So what I will do, I will select this slide 2, and then let me publish it. In the same way again I will add some of these images, like slide 3, background position I will make it 20. So you can adjust your, like, how much background X position and Y position you want according to your images. And let me quickly create some of these slides for show. So here add new item, again I will add a slide 4, and different categories I want, like portraits, and then if I want to add let me add this nature, and then background Y position I want to make it 20, and then again I can select any of these, like let me this one, and one more last portfolio item I will add. So I will give this portfolio item slide 5, and then again background Y position I will make it 20, and let me select this one as the image, and then nature and portrait. Alright, now let me publish it. So once you will publish it, now let's visit the site and let's see what we are getting it. So here you can see we are getting this archives only. So first what I have to do, first let's go to the setting option, and here you will find a reading option. So in this first select a static page and your home page display. So first of all let's create another page for our blog. So here I will click on this add new option, and title I will give it blog, and I will publish it. So first of all I am not doing any changes, later on we will make the changes. Now let's hover over the settings and let's go to the reading option, and here you can select the static page, and here you can individually give a home page and a post page as blog. Now once you will click on save changes, so these are two benefits. Like earlier, if you have remember to visit our home page, we have to go to /home, but whenever I will go to /home, it will by default redirect me to this page. Here you can see that this one becomes our home page. But here in our home page, why we are not getting all our portfolio images? So how we can do that one? So let's now go to the pages option, and here from the pages option again click on this edit in home. So once you will click on this edit in home, so you will get this slider option. So active slide you want, if you want to select, so transition effect will be default, and here autoplay, and then force reload style, then hide titles. If you make sure you have selected this one for this hiding of the title, and then navigation style, if you want to make it slim or default, you can do that one, and custom set of slides you can also make it according to you. Now let's update it and let's view the page. So still here we are getting this tab. Okay, so now let's go to this, we are some options over here like slider, and then we have this titles, and here like custom title you want to give, like suppose title of it, if you want to give it a custom title here like start cheering, and then subtitle also here like the supermodels always bring their flawless festival style of Rio, this one. Okay, and here, and after that here if you want to give any custom tagline also, like here 12 year of experience, you can give them. Next we have this navigation setting. So here you can set all these navigations like default or left navigation, right navigation, or so top left navigation, so bottom center navigation, you can adjust them all. Alright, now here in show content we just need to hide the show content and then update it. Once you will hide the show content and update it, now let's refresh the page, and here you can see you can see like 12 year of experience, start cheering, all are we can able to see nature, portraits, and fashion. Like in fashion we have one image, in portrait we have different images, and in nature also we have these images. So you can filter out it. Like in the demo website you can see it is, we have not assigned any of these category, that's why we are not able to see. But if you will assign some, like if I for nature we have 3 images, so we can see like when you will scroll your mouse, so you can change the images. In the same way in portraits also we have added 3 images, that's why we are getting it. In fashion we have only 1 image, that's why only 1 image is visible to us. Alright, now as I have remembered, now let's go back, and here in portfolio we have created this slide 1, right? So it should be a video, so let's remove this featured image, and I just want to keep it in nature. Just add it to nature and update it. So or okay, we can add it to fashion also, let it be. So now what I will do, I will go to the nature and let's check whether our video is playing or not. So alright, here you can see these portfolios are only to show the images, we cannot see the video here. But for video we can go to like, let me change the image position, update it here. So for this video part we need to change some of the things, like as you can see as here in our home page we have added this text like start cheering, 12 years of experience, and these things you will find in this titles option. So sorry, these things you will find in this where we have gone, that one, content option. Okay, we don't need, let me refresh the page again. Alright, so here when you will go to this title, and here title and subtitle and tagline, so here you can see that this is the tagline, this is the main title, and this is the subtitle. If you don't want any of these, like suppose I don't want this tagline, so I will make it default and update it. So when I will refresh the page, okay, why it is not reflecting, custom, and 12, instead of 12 years I have 20 years of experience, let it be. And when I will refresh the page, so here you can see it is completely changed. So in this way and if you want to look into the portrait, so here you will get this option like different categories, nature, portrait, fashion, and you can easily switch between them. Alright, so with this we have understood like how to create the first home page. So now you can say like we are done with our home page. So we are still have to create this different pages like about, team and blog pages. So now let's start quickly creating those pages. Now let's move to the next page, which is our blog page. So here you can see that when I am clicking on this blog page, it is showing number of blogs, and we have almost like here it is showing 3. You can see we have 6 number of blogs, and when I am clicking on any one of these blog posts, here you can see this is how it's going to look like, any of the blog posts. So here now let's start creating this blog post. So first of all, to create a blog page we need to have a blog post. So here what I will do, I will first create only a single blog post. So let's see how to create a single blog post here. So first of all, here in this blog post, if you will see, this is our title of the blog post. So let me copy this title, and here in this add title option I will add the blog title name. So whatever title name you want to add here, here you can see that I have added the title. All right, now after adding the title, here you can click on, let's see, I think let's again I will publish this page. All right, okay, now let's go back. So here in this blog post you will also get number of categories you want. Like if you want to create different categories of blog post, you can create, or if you want to give different tags, here you can go to this tag option and you can create. So now in this blog post option, what I need to do is let's see what we have this in custom page option. So here without this custom page option, you are getting this type to choose blog. So what I will do here, as you can see, we have some text over here. So now let me copy this text from here, and then I will go to this, and you will get a lot of you can browse the number of blocks you want. Suppose here if I want to add a paragraph, so let me quickly add the paragraph to it. Now after adding this paragraph, and then here in this advanced tab, you will get this. If you want to change the text color or anything, you can change it. All right, now in this blog post, if you want to select any of these categories without this uncategories, let me select give some categories to it. Suppose I want to give it nature, and if you want to give some tags you can do, and here if you want to give any featured image to your blog post, you can do those things. All right, now let me click on update, and once I will click on update, after this here you can see that we have this what we call this 𝗙ηκε🹃 this knowledge, you can see it as a quote icon. So how we can get that one? So for that, again I will go here in this blog setting. Let me go to new, type to choose a blog, and here I will choose like quote option, and you can select any of this quote like words or anything, write words. So let me quickly remove this one, remove the blog. Again I will add whatever, like let me search for quote. You will get this large header with left aligned text. So let us select this a normal quote, and what I will do, let me select this knowledge will allow this much here in this quote option, and all right, this knowledge will allow, and then this one will be under the, all right, I think it is we need to change this one to quote and add citation 𝗙ηκε🹃. All right, and then again you can see we have this heading option over here. Suppose if you want to add new heading, so let me quickly add a heading option. So here in this whatever thing you want to add, like this, here you can see I have added the heading over here. In the same way, again if you will see here, again we have some paragraph text. So let me quickly add this. So here again I will choose for paragraph and then paste the text. After that, here you can see we have this startup cost. So here in this startup cost we have these two columns. So before that let's move to create another heading to it. So here let me copy this startup cost and I will paste it here. Alright, now again I need here let me create columns. So here when you will search for columns you will get, so I will add two columns 50-50, and on the left side I need to add a image. So we need to add this image, so let's quickly add that image to it. So what I will do, I will go to this media library. If we don't have that image, we can select any of the image. That doesn't means only we need that image only. And on the right side I need this much of text, so let me again select the paragraph and I will paste the text. Alright, now we have done with this two column. Again here when you will go down you will get these bullet points. So let me again select this paragraph, and in this way you can add any of these number of you want to add. Now let me first click on update. Alright, now let's go to our blog page. So here hyphen I will go to blog, and this will be our blog page. So we have only one blog post, so that's why here it is showing this. When we are clicking on this, so here you can see we have added this image on left, and then we have added this text, and then again we have these bullet point and leave a reply option. Everything is there. So we don't have any comments, that's why it is not showing any comments, but the rest everything is over here. Alright, so now I think we have done. Here it is showing the what we call, this is the page title, and when we are going to any of the blog posts, let's see what we are getting it. So when I am clicking on any of these blog posts, so alright, so what I need to do here in this custom page option, I need to do some settings. Alright, so what here you can see in this, let's first start with the slider option. So you can see if you want to do anything changes with the slider option, you can do the changes. Now let's go to the titles option. So here in this title, like title, if you want to get it this page title or anything default, so you can, or any custom title. So like here I want to make it blog, let me update it, and now when we will refresh the page, so here you can see the title is changed. Alright, and in the same way like if you want to change the subtitle also, now you can change the subtitle, and tagline is not visible in this place, so it doesn't matter how you are going to use these taglines or not. Alright, so now again here from here what we need to do in this way, now if you will go to this content option, from there also you can, like if you want to text in bottom right, anything you want to add, custom transition speed or custom background color also, if you want to change the background color, suppose if I want to make the background color to red, let it be, and let's see how it is going to work. So again I will go to /blog, /blog is my blog page, and then I will click on this blog post, and here it is, you can see now it is changes to completely red color, but I don't want to keep it as red, so I will clear this one and update it. Alright, so now we have just understood how to create each blog post. In the same way, when you will go to this blog page, you will find these are six number of blog posts over here. So now as you can see, we are getting one background image to it. So how we can get that one? So here if you will notice we have some different image in our blog page, right? Let's again go to the blog and let me show you. So here you can see we are getting this different image here. So for that what we need to do, click on this WordPress logo and we have to go to the pages option, and here in this pages option just select this blog and edit it. Now here you can see active slide, so you can select any one of the slide to active, like here I have selected slide 4, and now when I will go to this, alright, why it is not getting active category? So here suppose if you want to let's make it, alright, nature, and then when we will update, refresh the page, and here you can see the nature images under the nature will be visible here. Like in nature we have these 3 images, right? So when we will go to this blog page, so any one time whenever you will refresh it, so sometimes it will always change the background image, so sometimes it is changing. So in this way you can set any of these nature image or anything category wise, and then transition effect, like if you want to see fade or if you want to watch divide, so you can set it. Now let's go back to the blog page, and here you can see the transition effect is changed. In the same way, let's see slide from left, and then when I will refresh the page, alright. So in this way you can set any of these transition effect in the pages. Alright, so with this we have completed our second page, which is our blog page. Now let's move to our about page. So let's see what are there in the about page. So here you can see we have these things in about page, like different custom tabs over here. So now let's start quickly create this about page for us. So for that, again I need to close this. Alright, now let's start creating our about page. So now let's move to our other pages. So first of all, again for this about us page, again I will click on this add new, and then I will give this in the add title I will give it a name, the page name, whatever page name I want to give. Once you will give this about, so here I have given it about, and then let me click on publish the page. Alright, so now my page is published. So let's see how it's going to look like. So here you can see this is how it's going to look like. So we are getting a different image. So here in active slide we can select any of the slide that we want to look like we want it. So like here I have selected the slide 4, and let me update it. I think slide 4 is the same slide. Now let me refresh it. Okay, active category, it will be fashion. Okay, let's change it to portrait. Alright, so here you can see the images which are related to portrait, those are coming. So as we don't have this less number of slides associated to with this fashion, that's why it is not visible. So and then here you can see we have this transition effect, like slide left, we can set this transition effect. So when here you can see the image is sliding left. So you are getting a lot of transition effect, like here if you want to slide bottom, let me show you. Here when you will scroll down, it will slide to bottom. Now after that, here category of transition effect, like slide top or slide, and then category transition speed. If you want to make it autoplay, so you can make it autoplay, select custom and allow a timer. So like suppose let me give it a 1000 millisecond. Here you can see we have an option of 1000 millisecond. Let me update it, and when I will refresh it, so you will find it will automatically change within 1 second. So alright, now force reloader slider, reload slider, if you want it, you can set all of these things. Alright, now let me click on update, and as I have already told you, like let's start creating this. So first of all, here we have to click on this edit with King Composer. So that this is the page builder, you can say, like that using this King Composer only we are going to create all these sections and all. So first of all, let's take a look into our about us page. So here you can see we have these tabs. So now what you have to do, click on these elements and let's search for tabs. So here you will find these NK tabs. Just select this one, and we got this tabs. So first let quickly add. As you can see, we have 4 number of tabs: home, achievement, why choosers, and goals. So first here I will let's change the name of this. So first of all we have to keep this tab as home, right? So what I need to do, let's first we can add number of 4. Let's add 4 number of tabs here. All right, Now here we need to change, like disable this section, open setting, and here once you will click on this open setting, you can change the title. So let me give it a history. Alright, and then I will make it save, and then here whatever, like suppose here let me quickly achievements, so I will go here, open setting, and I will make it achievements. Alright, and then I will save it. In the same way, I will again click on open setting, and then here in the title I will give it why choose us, and save it. And then again open the setting, and here change the title to goals, and let's save it. Okay, now as we have saved everything, so now let us click on update, and first let me save. Okay, let me save. Now here your content has been saved, but there seems to be an error occurs. Okay, now let's first refresh the page and let's see what we are getting. Alright, now you can see in about we are getting this home, achievement, why choosers, and goals, right? So but here we don't see the title, right? Here we are getting here in this about us the title. So how we can do that one? Title, make it as page title, and this title will be the page title, right? So here in this content, so default title, just let us make it no, and when you will update it, now let me close this. Now when you will refresh this page title will be gone. Let me show you. So here you can see now we have the same history, achievement, why choosers, goals. Alright, so we have history, achievements, why choosers, and goals. So now here you can also set this for container setting if you want to give any styling to it. Suppose here it is, you can see we have the style tabs over here, so you can add the styling, and then you will find this like your word break, you can set overflow, anything like typography, you can change the background, or if you want to go to this box inside, margin, custom if you want to set anything, and then you have this animate option. So you will you can select any of these animate option, like here you can see I have selected this tada or 𝗙𝗹𝗹𝗁, and here it is animation preview also it is showing us. Alright, now again if you want to add some presets, you can add those here also. So now let's go back. Okay, in animate I don't need anything animate. Alright, so I have saved it. Now let's start by from our this what we call this history tab. So here we have the title over here. So what I will do, let me copy it, and here again I will click on this add new element, and then let's search for title. So we have this NK title. So when you will got this NK title, here we can add whatever titles we want to add. Then you can go to the styling option, and you can whatever color you want to give, you can give it, and then here you can select the font family. So as it is the default font and everything I am using, so I am not going to change, but here you can change the font family. Suppose if you want to change the alignment, let me make it center aligned or left aligned, you can make it. And then here you will find this box option. Inside this box option, suppose if you want to give any margin or padding, you can give that one. So let's first add this title over here, and then what I will do, I will update it. Okay, now when you will refresh it, so here you can see we got it. So now suppose here you can see now we have this different color over here, and here the title is in different color. So how we can change the color? As I have already told you, you have to go to this edit this element, and then here in the styling option we have to change the color. So first of all, the color code for will be, give it a hash mark F44336. alright, this will be the color. And then font family, like you can select any of these, but add fonts via font manager. So we have to add the fonts from this font manager only. So here we can select like okay, Open Sans, Roboto, we have different number of fonts, you can add all this. So now let me quickly save it, and when I will refresh it, you will find. So here you can, okay, why it is not get changed. Okay, I have to click on save now. Again here in update, so here you can see it is changed. So in the same way, so I think the font family also changed, that's why. Now let's again save it, save now. I don't like it will be quite difficult. Maybe it is I'm using it in localhost, that's why it is coming. But all right, now it is fine. Okay, after the heading text we have some of the paragraph text. So you must be know like how to add these paragraph text. So you can add, so let me quickly show you how you can add these paragraphs. So again here go to this add element, and here you will find this text block. Click on the text block and you can copy this entire paragraph from here. Let me copy this, and here what I will do, will paste it. All right, okay, let me paste it here. Okay, now I will click on save changes, update the changes, and now when I will refresh the page, so here you can see I got it, like whatever text I want to see and everything I need, everything is coming as how I required it. Okay, so whatever changes you want to do, you can do it from here. So with this we have done with this first tab. So now let's move to our second tab, which is the achievement tab. So first of all, here in this achievement tab, as you can see, we first need to have a column in it, otherwise we cannot do it. So let's first go to this achievements tab, and then here add element, and here you can set like number of, okay, so first of all let's we need 2 columns. In this way you can set 2 columns, and you can also adjust its percentage wise, like number of percentage you want here. Like you can see it is this 2 column is, okay, why not, okay, it is in, okay, so let me delete this one, or it will be there. No, I need to delete this one. Okay, now let me in achieve, okay, in history tab we need to add that text block. Okay, let's add the text. It should be in, okay, we need this one in history. Okay, history tab. All right, let me click on update. Okay, earlier I have created another element, that's why now it should be there in the history tab only. You can see this is in the history tab. All right, now after that, now let's go to the achievements, and here in the achievements I have divided it into 2 column. And now what I will do again, here I will add the item, and here I will search for title, this one NK title, and we have already this title, right, 70. So let's add this one as 70. And when you add this, like after adding, let's go to the style, and if you want to change the font family or anything, you can change it to the general styling. Okay, now let me save it and let's see how it's look like. So before that, let me again change give it a text block also. So here again I will click on plus icon and text block. Here I will paste the text. Now I will save it. Okay, so now I will duplicate this, and here you can find duplicate option. So let me remove this block here. So I will delete this column. Okay, so now again we have 2 columns over here. So I have updated it. Now let's refresh and let's see what we are getting in achievement. So here you can see it is the same way, like we have this 70 on the right side, we have this 25. So we can just do the changes, like whatever changes we want. Suppose here you can see I have changed it, so it is looking like it. So what I will do now, let's go to the achievements, and here I need to change the tag. Suppose if you want it should be in h1 or h2 or h3, whatever tag you want to give, and then looks like, let it be let makes the look like to display 2, and then main color, if you want to give it you can give, or if you don't want to give it the main color, then it will be, I think the main color means the color which is this one. So now when I will refresh the page, let's see in achievements tab. All right, so we need to do the same. Let's go to achievements tab. Here for this one also looks like, make it display 2 and just save it. Now what I will do, I will again the 2 columns which we have this, copy this entire row. Okay, I need to duplicate it, right? So here we have this double this row, so I have duplicate this entire row, and I will just update it. So now when I will refresh it, I will find like 4 columns over here. So let me show you. So here you can see we have this 2 by and 2 4. So now only thing you can change these whatever paragraph text or whatever heading text or whatever these numbers you want to change, you can change it. Now let's move to the why choose us. So in why choose us tab also we have some of these text only. So let's copy this text from here in why choose us, and now what we will do, again here add the element, let's add the text block, and let's paste the text. We will save it. All right, one more thing we left which is like, if you will notice here, service, integrity and trust and passion for winning, these are in bold. So you can select the text from here, service, just make it bold, again this integrity and trust make it bold, and then passion for winning, again make it bold and save it. Now when I will update the changes, let me again refresh the page and let's go to the why choosers. So this is how it's going to look like. But if you will notice, we need maybe if you want, let's see how it's going to look like. Okay, so there are some gap between these, like if you will notice it properly, then you must find like there should be a gap between these why choosers and in our normal we don't have any gap. So you can give a gap if you want, like if you want to give a gap, you can give it. So how you can do that one, let me show you. So again go to why choosers tab, select this text block. All right, and then you can go to the styling box option, and then border width we don't need anything. So after that we have this in the box setting, here you will find display, and then we have this margin. So margin you can give it like 30 pixel top. Let me give it 30 pixel top. In the same way at the bottom margin also I will give it 30 pixel. Now click on update. All right, now when I will refresh the page and let's see whether is it working or not. So here you can see we have added a gap between them. All right, now let one more last tab, which is this goals tab, and we have the same this paragraph text in the goals tab also. So just go to this goals tab, in add element, add a text block, and you can easily add your paragraph to it. All right, so with this, now let's have a look into our this page. So here this is our goals. All right, so what I need to do, let's go to this achievements. Okay, and then here I will go to this open row setting, styling, and here we have this box option. Let's here also give it a 20 pixel top, or I will give it 30 pixel top, and similarly for this one I will give it 30 pixel bottom. Styling, and in box option again I will go to margin 30 pixel bottom. I will save it. Now for the goals tab also, let's go to this text block, and then styling box tab, and here again select this margin to 30 pixel top and a 30 pixel bottom. Now let me save, click on save and update it. So now let's refresh the page and let's see how it's going to look like. So this is okay, everything is fine. Okay, all right. So with this we have completed this what we call this about us page also. So now we have already updated the save changes. So now you can click on this pages to go back to the pages option. So now let's move to our next page. So before going to the next page, one more thing which we have left in the about us page, here you can see on the right side here we are getting one number. So how we can add that one? So let me quickly tell you about that. So here you have to click on this edit option, and then when you will go here in the content option, text in bottom right corner. So whatever text you want to add, you have to just add the text, and then once you will click on update, it will start reflecting there. So let me show you. So here I will slash about, and then here you can see we are getting the number. All right, now as we have already completed the 3 pages, home, blog and about, now let's quickly move to the team page. So here in this team page you will find like we have also same 2 options. One is 2 tab, one is team and another one is skills. So in this way again we need to add one more like this tab where we can add this team and skills. All right, so now let's start creating this page. So for this again we need to go to this pages option, and here in this page again I have to click on this add new, and then here the page name will be team. All right, now let me publish the page. So here you can see that I have published the page. So now again click on this edit with King Composer so that you can able to load this composer. So first of all here you can see we need a tab here. So first for this let's take elements, and from this element I will search for tab, and we have to use this nk tabs. All right, so here after adding this, so here add nk tab, and now let's first edit it. So here you can see we have to create 2 tabs with team and skills. So first of all I will edit this tab to team. All right, and then save it. In the same way again I will take another tab and I will give it a skills. All right, now let me save it. So here in this team section you can see we have a title and then image, and then again we have a title and then we have the image. So now let's start creating this one. So for this again what we need to do, let's go to the team tab, and here we need 2 columns for it. So for this again in this team tab what I will do, I will click on this. Okay, I think we have duplicated, we don't need it. Okay, and here I will click on add element and I will search for column. All right, here we are not getting the column option. Let's go for add a 2 column. All right, but here we don't need it, we need here 2 columns. So here let it be row inner, and here we can select make it 2 columns. So now we have 2 column. So now let's start, let it be the name, I have copied it. So what I will do, I will give the name as nk title, and inside that I will give it the title to it. All right, so here I have given it. Again when you will scroll down, looks like just make it at 6 and save it. So now we have added the name, and then we need to add this image. So how just click on this plus icon and then here search for image, and then this one single image. So now let's browse the image. So I will select this one, let me insert it. All right, so now here like image source we have already done it, and then image, here you can see image size. So whatever, like if you want to give any image particular size, you can give it like this. Suppose nk underscore 500 x 500. So in this way you can control the image, and then alternate of image if you want. So like team 1 you can give it, and then if you want to give any caption or one click on click event, suppose here you can see when we are hovering over it we are getting this suppose on click event open custom link you can set, and in custom link you can give whatever link you want to add, or if you have created a single team member page you can add that link to it. All right, now and then here styling and all, no need to change anything. Let's save it. So now what I will do, I will duplicate. Okay, I know don't need to duplicate it. So what I will do, I will duplicate this entire, copy this row. All right, so let it be. How I can duplicate this one? Okay, there is no way. So let me duplicate this title. I will drag it here, and then I will duplicate this image and I will drag it to the right side. All right, now let's see how our team page looks like. So here you can see I have opened the team page, and I think the image is not getting loaded. So why the image is not getting loaded? Let's have a look. So here I have uploaded the image from the media library, and then okay, let's again select the image, this one, and team, save it, update the changes. Now let's refresh and let's see whether it is working or not. All right, so I don't understand why it is not working. So let me I will inspect it for some time, and I will figure out why it is not working. So here let me go to this and see what I am getting. It means I am getting the image or not exactly. All right, so maybe okay, so here see the image size here, or okay, without NK only I have to do that one. So let me remove that NK, and now what I will do, I will update it, and let's have a look whether it is working or not. All right, let me again refresh it. So still it is not working, so I think I should remove it. Just let me make it full image, save it. In the same way I will make it full and save it. Let me update it, and again I will refresh the page. All right, so now it is showing, but I don't understand why it is not showing at that time. So maybe perhaps okay, instead of, let me copy this one and paste it here, and let's have a look whether it is working or not. All right, so as I am using it on my local host, that's why it is not working fine when we are giving any custom size to the image. But definitely when you will try to do it on like in a live site, you can easily able to do it. So after giving these like name and all, so one more thing, let's go to the styling, and then here if you want, if you will see, let's width, height we have. So let's make a margin to 0. In the same way I will, okay, not to this, okay, this one should be, let me update it. All right, okay, so here you can see one more thing I can do, like I can duplicate this entire section one more time, and in this way we can completed this team tab. As you can see, we have 4 members in it, and when we are hovering over the image also, it is showing a custom link, but we have not given any custom link to it, that's why it is not showing here. All right, now let's move to the skills page, and here again we have some text over here. So it won't be very much difficult. Just go to the skills tab, and in this add element we have to add this text box and just paste the text. And as you can see that as we have to make these text bold, so let's quickly make the text these text to bold here, and in this pattern of winning I will make it bold. All right, now click on save and update the changes. Now once you will refresh it, now let's go to the skills tab, and here we have our all the text. All right, so with this we have completed this team page also. Let's see what are other things. Like here you can see in team page also we have the number. So how we can do that one, as I have already told you, here in this custom page option you will get this content option. So text in bottom right corner, here we have to add whatever text you want to add, and in that way once you will click on update, so now when I will refresh it, so here you will find that the number is showing here. So with this we have completed this team page also. So now let's see what other pages we have. Like we have the contact us page. So here you can see this is how the contact us page is going to look like. So for this again we need to create the contact form, then only we can have this contact us. So now let's start creating this contact us page. So now we have only left with this contact us page. So let's start creating this contact us page. So first of all, to create this contact us page, again we have to go to the pages option. So here in this pages option, just click on this add new button, and now let's add the contact us. So here in this page title, again I will give it contact us. All right, and then let me first publish the page. So here let's see what are the things here in this contact us. So here if you will notice, we have these social media icons over here. So first of all, to get this social media icon, what we have to do, let's first click on this edit with King Composer. So alright, I think it is not published yet. So first of all I have to click on publish, then I will click on edit with King Composer. Once you will click on this edit with King Composer, so here you can see we have to add this social links. So let's click on this element, and here I will search for social. So here you will find this NK social link, just add it, and whatever social link you want to add, just click on this pen icon and you will get all these options like social. So here you can add whatever, like suppose here you can get this offset and all. So now let's add, suppose here add new group. So whatever link you want to give, you can give it. Suppose this one is for Facebook and Twitter, any link you can give it. Like as you can see, this is the title, here it is Twitter, add your link Twitter, and then link text is Twitter. So here whatever your Twitter link you can give it. For now I am giving this #, and add link to 𝗙cie. So here link and then target is blank, that, and it is done. So in the same way, add your link, here again I will give it a hashtag, and link text, here I will give it Facebook, and this one will be my Facebook. Here you can see we have Twitter and Facebook. In the same way we have added this Twitter and Facebook to it. So we have created these two links. After that, here offset, make sure you have selected this yes, and then here in styling or anything, it doesn't need to change anything, let it save. So we have save it, make sure you have click on update it. So after saving it, here again we have this number as title, so we can take it as title. So click on this plus icon, and here we have to search for title, and we are getting this NK title. Just let me paste whatever, okay, whatever text you want to paste it in the title. All right, when you will scroll down, here you can whatever tag you want to add. Suppose let's you have added this div tag, and looks like make it display 1, and then main color we want, make sure you have selected this main color. When you will selected this main color, it will be like this orange color. So all right, now let me save it, update it. Let's view the page, how it looks like. So here you can see again we are getting this Twitter link, Facebook link. All right, we don't need this contact us heading. So how we can do that one? So as I have already told you, like content, here show default title, just make it no, and when you will refresh the page, you will find like there is no title. All right, so we have added this social media link and then this heading. So again one more thing, like we have to add this address over there. So let's start adding this address. So for this again I will click on this plus icon, and here I will use this text block, and let me paste the text here. So here you can see I have pasted it. Let's make it bold, and we need to save it. Alright, let's save it. So once you will make it save, and then let me update it, so it will automatically let's see how it's going to look like. So here you can see it is updated. So alright, now one more thing, if you will if you have must be noticed, then you must see like we have other, like we have to get this questions heading, and then after that we have to add our contact form. So for this let's first create our contact form. So here in this dashboard you will get this contact option. So just open this contact form here. Alright, so as I have already told you that I am going to provide you this contact form code also. So you will get this entire code, and what you have to do, you have to click on this add new, and you can create a new contact us. So let me name it as contact us, and then here I will replace all the tags with this code. Just let's make it save. Once you will save this code, this contact form, here you can see it is saved. Now what I will do, again I will go to the pages option, and here I will click on edit in the contact us. Alright, after the text, again we need a title. So for this one, again I will just click on this plus icon, and I will search for title. Alright, I will add this NK title, and alright, okay, I have not copied it. So let me copy the text, which is this questions. So what I will do, I will paste it here, and then whatever like tag, let me select it as 3, and looks like I will make it H1. Alright, now let me save the color. Okay, title is also saved. Now we need to add our contact form. So here I have to search for contact form. So here you will get this NK contact form 7. So just select our form, and we need to do nothing like in terms of styling or anything. So just click on save and update the page. So now let's refresh it, and let's see what are the things we get. Alright, so here if you'll see we get this send option, everything is fine. So one thing we need is we have to make the background transparent. Here it is white. So how we can do that one? So to do that, just go to this scroll down, and we have already in the content setting, so custom background color, just make sure you have selected this yes, and then background color I just want to give it 212121. Alright, 212121, this one. And then background opacity, you just control your opacity to 85, and then background color in mobile also I just want to give it that same 2121. Alright, 212121. Okay, and opacity will be 100 for the mobile view. And then here like so default title, it's okay, we don't need to do anything. So let me now update, and when you will refresh the page, let's see what we are getting. Okay, we are getting these things, but why our texts are not in white color? So we need to make those text color to be white. So for that one, let's again go to this, and here again you can see we have this mobile number. We don't need to change this to mobile number. We need for this text styling, select color, let's select this white color, and just save it, and here update it. Now let's refresh the page, and let's see what we are getting. Alright, in the same way I need to change this to this questions styling. Let me select this white color and save. For this contact us styling, select color white, save it. Now update it. Now let's refresh it, and let's see what we are getting. So here you can see everything is now looking fine. So one more thing for this social links, again go to the styling tab, and let's select the white color. Now let me save it. Okay, first I need to save and then update. So again I will select white color, save it, and update it. So with this we are done with this contact us page also. All right, so now we are almost done in everything. So let's go to this dashboard. Okay, and from here the only thing is left, like we need to create these menus. So how we can create? Go to over this appearance and you will get this menus option. Just go to the menu and here name it main menu, whatever name you can give it, and make sure you have selected this primary. Now click on this create menu, and then here whatever page you required you can just simply add them. Like here you can see that home, and then after that blog, about, and team, and last one will be contact us. So I will click on this save and let me refresh the page and let's see what we are getting. So as you can see, again we got our menus over here. So now okay, so we have done with this menu also. So the last part, which is we need to change with the our logo. So how we can do that one? So for that logo, let's go to this edit page option. Okay, this is for okay, let's go to this umbrella dashboard, and here you will get this customize option. Just go to that customize option, and there you will get an option to change your logo. So here you can see in this customize we have this site identity. So logo image, let's select our image. So I think we have not uploaded that logos, so let us quickly upload. So these are the images for our logo. So this one is for the white, and let me select the black one, and I will click on select. All right, so with this now click on publish. So here you can see we are done with it. So let's view the site, and as you can see we have to change this portraits and all. So with this we have completely completed all this entire website, and if you will notice it, it is very much optimized for the mobile view also. So thank you so much for watching this video till now, and if you really like this video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, and please like, share and subscribe our channel so that you will get this type of awesome videos every time.